Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the S25 Ultra and working over a clean, lint-free surface. Use the wet then dry wipe and a microfiber cloth. This removes oils that cause bubbles, so make sure to be thorough. Use dust stickers to lift any remaining specks. One particle can ruin alignment. Once done, hold the protector by the edges and hover it aligned to camera and speaker cutouts. This first placement sets the whole job, so take a steady breath and line it up precisely before lowering. You peel back only a small portion of the backing so the adhesive stays clean, and keep your fingers off the sticky side. Oils cause lift. Lower the protector from one edge, top or bottom works, and align cutouts carefully, then let it contact the glass gradually so you control placement. Once it touches, use the included squeegee or a plastic card wrapped in microfiber to press from the center toward the edges. This pushes air out and seats the adhesive evenly, preventing trapped bubbles. You finish by peeling off the outer protective layer and pressing the edges firmly to ensure the adhesive bonds fully. Do this gently around the curved sides. Inspect camera and sensor areas and test touch responsiveness. If the protector shifts, realign while adhesive is still flexible. For small bubbles, keep smoothing toward the edge. For dust-induced bubbles, lift the nearest corner slowly. Use dust tape to remove particles, then reapply. If large bubbles stay, remove and replace the protector with a fresh one to avoid permanent marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.